Are you still trying to learn English, but it's not possible for you to speak English fluently? So, this video is for you. Watch till the end. So, in this video, I will give you a proper plan how to speak English confidently. So, this is video definitely for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Become Learners. So, today we will discuss about how we can learn English. Many students practice English for months, but they don't see improvement. Why? Because they don't follow the right method. So today I'll be discuss about how we can follow the step-by-step process so that we are capable to speak English. The real problem. Let's understand why are you not improving? You watch English videos continuously. You focus so much on grammar. You don't speak daily and you translate Hindi and Punjabi. These kind of habits always affect these habits stop your the real solution let fix with simple daily practice. Speak naturally and speak about your surroundings. Start with like I'm watching, I'm laughing, the weather is nice, I'm sitting on a chair. These kind of words. Start speaking daily habits. Everything you watch, everything you see, your surroundings, you have to be make sentence. Start your day. This is a bed, I make my bed, from small sentences. For instance, I'm watching movie or my brother is going to a market. So these kind of words start from your daily practice plan so you become fluent in speaking. Step 2, speak simple sentences. For instance, I woke up at 7 a.m. I am making my video, I'm watching cartoons. This is the second step. You have to be follow, you have to be clear in your mind. Key, you have to be speak. After that, you become fluent in speaking. Step 3, learn daily phrases and make sentences. For instance, I'll do it later, let me check, no problem. These kind of phrases you have to be use or learn in your daily life routine. Step 4 is record yourself. When you record yourself, you find your mistakes. Where are you lacking? Your grammar, your phrases, your vocabulary, your pronunciation. You find mistakes by yourself, and this will improve your confidence fast. I will definitely challenge you this kind of daily routines steps. You can grow faster than others because these are the practical steps. Now, I will give you 7-day improvement plan. Day 1 and 2, speak basic sentence. Day 3 and 4, add new vocabulary in your list. Day 5 or 6, speak longer. Make your sentence more long. First day, you make only simple sentences. After that, you have to be make sentences longer. And day 7 is your full confidence practice when you make different kind of sentences longer and shorter and new vocabulary which you learned in your period, so that vocabulary you have to be add in your conversation. Follow these consistently so that you become familiar with it. Here are the some important tips are: don't afraid of speak daily, no, use simple English, or practice in front of the mirror, which is a game changer activity. If you follow these strategies daily, you definitely become a fluent in English. After 7 weeks, you will see a drastic change in your life as well. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video, and we will meet in next video. Till then, stay tuned with this channel and for Become Learners. Till then, stay happy and healthy.